a tall glass bottle. I had this one laying around the house, and I am using dark tanning oil by the brand Australian Gold. This stuff smells amazing, and I can use this for the summertime. And you also need the L.A.COLORS Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow in the shade Sunshine. You need 2 of those, and you're also going to need a funnel. You want to go ahead and add your oil. Leave a little bit of space for the loose eyeshadow and for you to shake this product. And look guys, we have Trophy Wife. That is gorgeous. I am in love. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so for who needs clothes, you're going to be needing another glass bottle with the pump, and I had this one laying around the house, and whatever lotion of your choice. You want to go ahead and just add that to your bottle and leave a little bit of space. And we're going to be using this liquid highlighter by L.A.COLORS, and I picked that up at Dollar Tree for $1. And you're also going to need the L.A.COLORS Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow in the shade Radiant. For brown sugar, you're going to need a plastic bottle from Dollar Tree, and you're going to need also this baby oil, and make sure you get the one that says fast absorbing with the Elmo on it from the Dollar Tree. And you just want to fill your plastic bottle, leave a little bit of room for your loose shimmering eyeshadow in the shade Honeysuckle, and you just want to apply that, just one, you just need one, and that is it. Shake it up and you are ready.
Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond.